Hello everybody. Today we will discuss about articles a, an and the. Articles and nouns. They are friends. Article always will come before noun. Noun से पहले ही article आएगा और articles को हम adjectives भी कह सकते हैं क्योंकि adjectives modify noun and articles also modify noun. Noun can be singular or plural. Singular यानी single, one, anyone. Countable, uncountable. Countable we can count pen, pencils, books, notebooks, sheep, cow. Uncountable we cannot count, just like juice, milk, butter, knowledge we cannot count. General, they are general and specific, some specific noun. A or an should be followed by a noun. A, it is used before a consonant sound. Consonant sound. A bag, a river, a girl, a uniform. It is starting with U, but the sound is U, y, y sound, y sound. So a uniform, a unique, again y, unique, a European country, a cup of tea. Now n. N is used before a vowel sound. Vowel sound. An apple, an umbrella, an onion, an R. Starting with H but giving the sound A, R. An honest, starting with H but the sound is of O. H is silent. An honest man, an easy job, an old man, an interesting film, an ice cream, an FBI agent. Starting with F but A, F, A sound, FBI agent. An apple, an orange, an ice cream, an egg, an R, and honest. The. Here we have to learn something. The, when same noun is used second time, the is used. Suppose I say I ate a mango. A mango. Second time I am using mango. The mango was very tasty. I bought a frock yesterday. The frock was beautiful. So when I am using a noun again, then the will be used before it. Proper names of oceans, seas, rivers, canals, bridges, holy books, newspapers, mountain range or class. Camel, horse, man, women. In a group they are called the horses, the camels, the human, the cats. Mountain range Himalaya, the Himalaya. the Hindustan Times, yeah, the Times of India, the Hindu, the Howrah Bridge, the Quran, the Ramayana, the Suez Canal, the Ganga, the Indian Ocean, any names. These are proper names, but the is used before them. Whether it is a countable noun, uncountable, singular, plural, we can use the, but noun should be specific or particular. Unique person, unique place, or unique thing, before these things the is used. Name of some countries, not all countries. We will not say the India, we will not say the Pakistan, the Bangladesh, but the USA, the UK, the UAE, the West Indies, the Philippines, because United States of America, United Kingdom, United Arab Emirates, United word is used here. यहाँ कुछ कंट्रीज़ मिलके एक बड़ी कंट्री को बना रहे हैं. वेस्ट इंडीज़ एंड फिलीपींस, ये जो कंट्रीज़ हैं ये छोटे छोटे बहुत सारे आइलैंड से मिलके बने हैं. दे आर मेड with different small islands. So the West Indies, the Philippines, the Maldives, like that. Correct. Now where we will not use the, first we see this. The is not used with the proper names of person. The Nirmala, the Ram, the Arjun, no. State, not the Uttar Pradesh, the Rajasthan. Similarly, lakes, mountain, city, the Delhi, the Calcutta, no. I like the English, no. With language, the will not be used. With the street name, with the church name, college name, name of continents, homes, we will not use the. Jobs, when we talk about jobs, we will say I want to become a doctor, become an engineer, become a pilot. So not the pilot. This is general. Okay. I am again and again using words general and specific. What is general? Suppose I say I am in a school. So this is a school. It can be any school. I am in a school. Any school. Suppose you say to your mother, Mama, I am in a school. It means you are in any one school. But if you say I am in the school, it means you are in your school. Your mother know that you are in your school, the specific school in which you study. A star produces light. General statement. Star produces light. Pole star is the brightest star. Now I am talking about pole star, not all the stars. Pole star is the brightest. Give me a pen means you give me any pen. You can give me any pen from this box. But if I say give me the pen which was gifted by my father, then you will give me only that pen. This is specific, particular pen. The Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is one. in the world. We know कि I am talking about which Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal. Now general में we will use a or an. Suppose this is a dress. This is a dress. Normal sentence, general sentence, this is a dress. But when I say this is the dress I bought yesterday, I am talking about a particular dress which I bought yesterday. The dress. Word is same, but use of a and the. Yesterday I read a book. Book पढ़ी एक general statement. Yesterday I read the Ramayana or I read the Quran. Specific. This is specific. This is a general statement. See कि द यहाँ आएगा ही आएगा. द ताजमहल, द सन, द बेस्ट, द चीपेस्ट, क्लास, द कैमल्स, द कैट्स, द प्रेसिडेंट, द प्राइम मिनिस्टर, द लायन. वाई? बिकॉज lion is the king of the jungle. The national flag, the national bird, the Independence Day, the Republic Day. These are all specific. These are all specific. I saw a star. A star in the sky. Sky is one. I ate a mango. The mango was very tasty. The Maldives is a nation of islands in the Indian Ocean that spans across the equator. The equator. The smallest city in the world is Vatican City. The principal of our school is a nice person. Principal is one. Head of the school. A toy, a ball, a watch, a city, a river, a fruit. A unity, an ugly girl, an MBBS doctor, a doctor. Starting with a, MBBS doctor, a doctor, an unknown person, an ice cube, a cube of ice. Ice, sound is I, a cube of ice. This is your last exercise. Are you a doctor or an engineer? You are a nice man. I bought a dress yesterday. The dress was very beautiful. Smita is the sweetest girl in the world. The Himalayas is the highest mountain range in the world. He is an MBBS doctor. My father is a doctor. Earth is the third planet from the sun. I want to become a pilot. This is all for today. लगता है आपको कुछ क्लियर हुआ होगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.